Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can use masks for a cool video effect in CapCut PC. There are a bunch of ways to use masks. You can make like a frame out of it. Here I'm just going to go to mask and I'll just select the heart shape one, feather it out, and then I'm just going to right click, create compound clip, select the heart shape again, but this time I will reverse it here. And I'm also going to adjust it for a cutesy little frame. You can also use like other shapes and stuff. You can like blend two videos together by placing the video like a little bit lower and this one on top. And then by like feathering it out just a little bit to combine the two videos together. There's that. You can also use it to create like a cinematic text effect. I'm not going to show you like everything you can do with masks because it's very endless. There's this. Adjust it a little bit. And then right click, create compound clip, go to video, go to mask, and select the mirror one. Rotate it, and you're going to feather it out. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. Like that. And add a keyframe up here, and then at the end you're just going to want to drag it all the way to the right to create that intro. And those are basically the cool things that you can do with mask on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. Try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.